Right then, bit of a different video this time. We're cleaning cars, not something we normally do. So Jordan messaged on YouTube, he follows all our videos and he's itching to clean some of ours. And only thing that were worthy of cleaning at any point was the Touareg. But then finally we've got the Audi R8. So his company's a detailing doctor. So fire away with what areas you cover and what you do.
So we're mainly based in Hampshire, in the New Forest. We do cover areas of Dorset as well though, Southampton, Basingstoke, all them sort of areas. We do, however, travel up and down the country for like the bigger jobs. If you've got sort of 2 or 3 cars that you need taken care of on a monthly basis, we'd be happy to sort of pop up, deal with that. But yeah, as Ryan says, we've been a follower from a long time, even before they had YouTube. I think you were just a website way back when, weren't you? Originally being from Bradford, practically up the road from these boys, so it was like almost a local company to me, and I've really wanted to do something with them for a long time and thought what a great opportunity to sit and do a collab video together on something like this. So it's just going to be a quick correction and a ceramic coating, just get it looking really good on camera, and yeah, see what Ryan thinks, see what his reaction is at the end.
Yeah, sweet. We'll see how it goes and I'll be back when it looks cleaner. So John has got it sorted, looks sweet, cleanest I think any car I've had, so pretty good. Maybe the A6 were a bit cleaner when Alan fully did everything, but that lasted about a day because it didn't get ceramic coated like I wanted to, so we need to get that sorted out at some point. So yeah, there were a few little bits and bats, but just tell us what you've done, because I've no idea.
Basically a full decontamination wash, which is consisting of a bit more than your normal wash. We've took all his tar spots off, we've took all the iron fallout, any bits of tree sap. We've then gone over with a clay bar to remove any contamination left at all. So now if you actually feel the paint, and I'll put my mic a bit close, there's no noise at all, it's perfectly smooth. Then we've gone to do a 1-stage machine polish. So it's not a full correction, there is still some deep marks in it, but as Ryan said, the lads are going to work on it in the workshop. I won't say too much, but there's going to be a lot of in-depth stuff.
It's going
to get marked up, so we didn't want to go too mad. And then we've put a 3-year Geon ceramic coating on it, followed with a top coat on top of that, just to give it that extra bit of gloss. And as you can see, I think it looks amazing, but Ryan will tell you what he thinks.
It needs some wheels refurbing, but yeah,
100%.
It looks a ton better, really happy. And if you're watching whoever refurb them wheels, at least mask calipers up before you paint straight over them, you weirdo. Yeah, really happy. We didn't think it was going to be perfect because we hadn't even looked at it. Literally, it came from Copart as it was. It's just sat in this yard, and then Jordan's done what he's done. He's made it look a lot better. Might actually take it home if them rear tyres will not explode at some point, but anyway, we'll see. So yeah, thank you for watching. Hopefully it's been interesting, and
Something
yeah,
different.
cheers Jordan.
Not
It's
a problem, mate.
it's worked out nice.